and E.J. Syngkon.
Important discussions with national leaders, the state started looking up to him as the man who can bring the state to the limelight at the national level. Late never rose above the people. He led with integrity, humility, and courage, serving without compromise. Responsibility and every discussion gave sudden demise while actively engaged in sports reflect his energetic spirit and love for life, even amidst his demanding public responsibilities. I pray to God Almighty to reward him an eternal rest and grant the Gugurt family strength, courage, and comfort at this difficult time of grief. Thomas A. Sangma, Speaker, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly.